Good boy. Alright. Definitely a bit more rainy and dreary out today. Didn't seem to be bothering the pups too much. Tried to wait until it was at least not pouring out. And hopefully, unless the skies open up, we can go for the whole hour. We'll see. Don't want to make Calvin or the little one too miserable if we get stuck in a downpour. Good boy, good pee-pee. Double check the camera. Yep, looks good. Hi. How you doing, big guy? Huh? How you doing? Oh, good boy. Oh, hello. Oh, I'll get you too. And now she'll be with me for the entire month, Mr. Calvin. She's doing pretty good though with her potty training. Oh, yeah, hopefully the, the weather will be nice later on. We can try to hit up that trail. Definitely not today though. We'll stick to the usual path. Good boy, good pee-pee. Good girl, good potty. Good girl, sit. Good, sit. Sit. Good sit, there you go. She like a treat? Oh, no? Oh, you thought about it. Maybe later. I've got your milk bones for you too. Here you go, little one. Come on, big guy. Tried walking with an umbrella and pups before, and it never seems to really help very much, either for protecting me or the pups. But may want to do a jacket sometime. Have to see if what the rest of the weather would be like. I might pick up a small one for the little one's stay. I usually end up giving away the boarding pups stuff with their parents afterwards. Every now and then I'll get donations from other parents when their puppy grows up, and I can use those and pay it forward. Unfortunately, I don't have anything Calvin size. She's getting distracted. Good boy. Good pee-pee. Hey, big guy. At least they don't mind the rain too much. I've had pups before that were either really scared or puppies that wouldn't go out at all when the weather was bad. What do you think, big guy? Come here. Oh boy. Hello. Hi. He's at least noticeably less skittish of me now, which is really good. Little bunny rabbit, come here, you. Oh. This way, boo boo. Can't see what you're getting into back there. I think when the weather is nice and we do the trail walk, might try Calvin out on the freedom leash too, see how he does. Can always lock it if there's a problem. That way he can do a little bit more exploring as well. Boy. What? Who are we barking at? Good boy. Hello. Hi. So many flags. I wonder if they're planning on doing some work or something. I think it's to mark the gas lines. Try to keep him on the right side in case he needs to go potty. This person has quite the yard, like all the decorations and lights. It'd probably be cool to see all lit up. It goes all the way to the back there too. Got a little Yorkie up there. Oh, come on, little one. Getting excited. Oh, they got a cute little jacket. Hi. Hi, I know who we're going. I'm not sure if we're able to say hi or not. The smaller pup. Oh, does seem to get excited to meet some pups though. Does a little bit of crying. This one is almost swimming here. Oh, thank you. Wants to check out the other pup scent. Hey, you. Hey. Boy. I think this time we'll go down and around. Good boy, good pee-pee. This way, guys. Make sure no cars are coming. Oh. Sounds like some construction going on down there. Oh. Gotta keep adjusting the hat. I have to look into that later. Usually I have a lighter camera on here for shorter filming sessions. Hi, big guy. These are nice too. It's like 2 car garages. Bicycle. You're getting really wet. Oh, this looks like something cool's underneath. A monster truck. Those tires. That's cool. Uh-oh, we lost somebody. Come on. Uh-oh. She's getting a little bit better about not just eating everything on the floor, but still has that puppy habit. Huh. Decided against marking that. Yeah, these yards are huge. Definitely seems to pay to have a townhouse on the end. Oh, gotta fix your leash. Come here, bud. Hey, oh, oh. There you go. Bless you. Yeah, when we get back in, always try to towel dry and got a couple heaters. That way she doesn't stay wet and cold and get sick. I think you look like you'll be okay though. Your fur is more designed for this, for the inclement weather. Careful. You guys scaring each other. Hey, you. Alright. Since there's no sidewalk on this side, we'll go ahead and cross back over. Gotta be careful here. See how the lens is doing on the camera. Well, not too bad. There we go. Starting to drizzle just a little bit more. He's getting a lot better at ducking underneath the leash. I use the rain building up on my glasses as a gauge of how bad the camera situation is. Try to wipe it every now and then. Got another pup coming up. Nope. Nope. Ugh, I don't know what that is. We'll go ahead and cross for them. It looks like they're just trying to get them to go to use the bathroom, so we don't want to distract them. Cute little pup though. Good boy. Calvin definitely seems a little bit interested. I feel like a little part of him definitely wants to be social. Or at least investigate. Try to go for at least long enough for him to go number 2. Maybe he went earlier. I thought My glasses would be well protected under the brim of this hat, but I'm guessing the wind is just blowing just enough. It's not coming straight down. See how the camera's doing again. Not too bad. Go around this way. Hi, I'm coming. Bless you. Well, it's nice living next to a police officer. It's unfortunate that he works the night shift and is sleeping during the day, but it's still good to know. I think the patrol car alone is a good deterrent. Ooh, that looks rough. It's a shame too on a nice car. This way, Boo. I know, you want to go back in. Getting soaked. Seems a little bit more pulley. Maybe it's because of the person that just came by. I usually like to try to walk here just because so many people don't pick up. We'll go ahead and cut through. Back to cleaner areas. Good girl. Just for this one's sake too. She's so young, she'll just step on everything. And even though it's good habit to puppy wipe the paws and stuff after like dog parks and runs through everything in case she puts her feet in her mouth or anything like that. It would be better to even avoid it in the first place if possible. Good girl. She's so tiny. She is trying to go in everybody's house. Calvin looks like he would only go into his own. Careful of mushrooms too, in case the little one gets interested. Good girl. Hi. Hello. Or at least lucky enough to catch a break this time during the rain. It was downpouring about an hour ago. Wanted to try to wait as long as possible in hopes that it would die down a little bit. do. We'll cut it a little bit shorter today. Good boy. We'll still go around the school. Oh, there's another pup. He's got scared. It's okay. Oh no, it's loud. So they left their poo bag. Yeah, we'll just go around these two bottom courts. Try to reduce the amount of time we're in the rain as much as possible so we don't get sick. I'm hoping he already went number 2 this morning or something. Good boy. See if he goes before we head back in. Still got a good bit of land to cover. Oh, look at your little tail. We got the Samoyed puppies. Good girl. Hey, how's it going? You get so excited. It's okay, come on. Get all excited, huh? It's okay, little one. You're okay. You're okay. They're just excited. They shook things up a little bit. Some cute puppies. So interesting to see the difference in personality even within the same litter. Yeah, I got one that's like super barky and confident, and the other one is just like sitting there. Cute pups. would have maybe tried to meet, but Calvin was already pretty good and excited, but the little one was also a little bit too overwhelmed, so just thought it'd make it easier. Got some good sized puddles for me. Alright, careful here. He usually would have gone number 2 by now, so I'm guessing he just went earlier. The little one just did before our walk here. Oh, hi. I'll go ahead and wait and see if we need to go around. Sometimes they're pretty quick. Yeah. You can always tell when he gets interested or excited about something. He'll start pulling a little bit towards it. Got a little Jack Russell over there now too. Oh, come on, little one. Rent a car and a delivery vehicle. Alright, hold on. I think he's about to back up. I know, but it's always the worst because it looks like they're probably checking the map or their phone for the next destination. And I'm pretty sure as soon as we try to walk behind them, we gotta also walk in front of them, I guess. Because the back reverse light is on. And he's looking down, so I can't get his attention. Oh, look, there's another pup. Oh. Alright, let's go for it. We'll walk in front. This way, bud. We'll walk in front. One of those situations is that I'm pretty sure as soon as we walk behind is when they're gonna start backing up. Okay. I know. Okay, you're okay. What's that, Calvin? Huh? Little one is interested. Cleo. Cleo. Come on. Good girl. Yeah, I guess he just didn't have to go number 2 today, or he just went earlier. So. At least he peed a lot. Hopefully he'll be okay. Alright, let's go ahead and walk back home. We'll call it a video. Alright. You get the little one home to dry up. At least the weather held out for us. It's definitely drizzling a little bit harder, but at least it didn't start raining again, which is really good. Alright, Mr. Calvin. Hey, bud. Come here. Good boy. I'm gonna leave your cookies and treats in your crate with you. He's like, hello. Can we go inside? Yeah, you got a little wet. Not too bad. You're soaked. Alright.